So we're going to the park, and I'm using the external mic to try and cut down on the fact that there will be lots of noise from the air conditioner, because it's hot in this vehicle, and it's nice to be cool. Hi, Mom. My mom is the one who's driving. That's Sugar. She's going for a walk. Oh, zoom. There we go. Hi, Sugar. And that's Kaitlyn. I don't know if I'm pointing it at her or not, but yep, just checked it. There I am. And here I am. It's pretty fun, but get ready because you're gonna find out how to get to the park. And now we're here, and you get really weird camera angles. So, Sugar, what do you think about the situation? That was nice. You're choking her.
Yes,
you evil woman. How do you feel that I now have animal abuse on tape?
Yes, I'm happy for you.
As I told Carson, my more memorable. However, my memorable moment remembrance skill went up by 3. Okay. I butchered that quote. So someone explain this to me. No fishing. Fish only in permitted areas. Bridge. Duckies. So I've lagged behind a bit because for some reason it took me 1 billion years to get pictures of those ducks. So I definitely now know what it's like to stare at a camera and talk to it while other people are watching. So you definitely know we live in a rich area because our nature walks are actually paved. So we just found a snake. Right there.
He's sunning himself.
He's sunning himself. He's getting a little tan. Hello, snakey snake. Look, it's nature. It says no fishing, and we're nowhere near water. Sun time. It's definitely pretty awesome that when we actually get out into the sun, there's a breeze. Yeah. So we get out in the sun and out from the shade, and it's all like hot and stuff, but there's a really nice cool breeze going on, and you know, it sucks a little bit less. Look. More ducks or birds or whatever they're supposed to be. Bath times! Uh-oh, she found something. Nuh-uh.
I think we are.
No, she don't want to leave yet. Sugar wants to get the geese.
No, those can probably beat you up.
Yeah, they'll probably destroy you. These are the stairs that will take you into nature. We just finished our 2.2 mile long walk or something like that, and I do have to say I am incredibly out of shape because I am entirely winded and can't wait to go home and sit down. But I would attribute that to me being hot or to me already having run around in a suit earlier today for the intro. But now it's time to go home.